Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will create our third screen in our Fiori application that we are creating from last few videos. As you all are aware, if you haven't watched my previous video, you can see them in the SAP BTP playlist. So yeah, let's get started. We will drill down to this third screen from our object screen which we created in our previous session. Let me just show you as a refresher. Click on go. Let's drill down. So this is our second screen, object screen, as you can see, and we had created this collection facet more information. Also we had added the booking table to our Fiori application object screen. So now we will drill down to our third screen. This is our third screen. As you can see, it's empty right now. We don't have much information here, but in this video we will add the details here like collection facet and tables. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's get started. First of all, we need to go in our booking MDE file. We will add UI facet annotation here to add the collection facet. UI should be in capital. UI dot facet. Purpose is hash. Control enter we can do. In our case, it's standard, comma. Type would be collection. Type would be collection. And ID, we need to provide one ID name here. For example, I'm providing booking detail, comma, we need to provide a label. We are providing label as booking details. Alright. Position is done as it's the first item in our facet. Okay, now let's create the line items for this collection. Type would be line item reference. Line item reference. ID is not required. Label will be supplements. Why? Because we will drill down to booking supplement from our booking screen. So we are drilling down from booking to booking supplement. Supplements we provided as label, and position would be 20, and we need to provide target element. Target element is where we want to redirect this facet. So we want to redirect it to booking supplement. View. So we will just add this association in the target element. Okay, alright. Now what we need to do, we will go in our booking projection view and we will say that redirect to composition child. And what is the composition child here? Composition child is booking supplement projection view. Okay, so this is the child of booking view, booking supplement. Same way we will go to our booking supplement projection and we will add the statement redirect to parent. Parent is booking view. This is the parent. We will provide the parent name here. Okay, alright. Let's save and activate booking supplement projection view. Okay. Let's activate our booking projection view as well. So yeah, it's done. We can add redirect for travel entity as well. It's not a direct parent, but we just add the redirection. So this is our travel projection view. Let's add it. Save and activate. Okay, it's done. Now let's add other facets here like identification and field group, which we have seen in our previous video. So let's add that. Let's add the identification reference one first. Purpose is standard. What would be the type? Type would be identification reference and position is 10. Okay, it is the first. Label booking info. What is the parent? What is the parent? ID we have, parent is book detail. What is the parent? Is book detail. And we also need to provide target qualifier. So we will give it a name here, booking info. So we have added one identification facet. Same way we need to add our field group reference. Okay, field group reference. Let's change it. And its position will be 20 for this column. Label, what we need to add, we are adding pricings. Okay, parent will be same and target qualifier name we will change. Price info. Let's add identification annotation to our booking metadata file. Let's do that. UI dot identification and position would be 10. Okay, let's add the identification annotation for booking ID. Position would be 20. Same way, let's add identification annotation for booking date and position would be 30. Okay, so we have added these three fields in our identification facet. Let's add field group annotation now. UI dot field group position would be 10. And what is the qualifier name we have? Qualifier name is price info. Okay. Same way, let's add field group annotation for other fields. This is 20. Connection ID. Then let's add the flight date in the field group. Position would be 40. Flight price position will be 50. And currency code position will be 60. Let's add booking status also. Let's uncomment this one and position will be 70. Save and activate. Okay, what we will do now, we need to create the metadata file for our supplement projection view. Let's do that. ZHASA booking supplement MDE booking supplement metadata file. Next, click finish. This is the basic structure of our metadata file for booking supplement. Let's add the metadata.layer. This will be partner here. And we need to add our booking supplement projection view name. Booking supplement projection. Okay, let's add the required fields, whatever. We don't need the associations. Let's remove them. Let's add the header info annotation. UI dot header info. Type name will be supplement. Supplement. And what will be type name? Plural. Type name plural will be supplements. Okay, this is the mistake here. Title would be for example, value we have here booking IT, description, value, booking, date. So this is the information which will be displayed in our third screen. Okay. Now let's add the facet information here. What is the issue? Missing. Okay, it is asking we need to add the metadata allow extension in the projection view. Let's add that. Let's go to booking supplement projection view and we need to add the metadata allow extension as true. This annotation. Okay, what's the issue now? It's already added. It will go in some time. Okay, let's add the collection facet. UI dot facet. Our first facet will be collection facet. Purpose hash standard type hash collection ID. Let's provide some name here, for example booking supplement and label. Let's provide the longer description. Supplement details. What will be the position of this facet? Will be the first position. Okay, alright. Let's add the identification facet here. Purpose hash standard what is the type? It's a identification reference, identification facet. Okay, position is done. Label supplement info. We need to provide the parent ID here. What is the parent ID? Parent ID is booking supplement. Okay. We need to provide the target qualifier name. Target qualifier name SUPPL info. Okay. So we have added one collection facet and one identification facet. We also need to add the field group. Okay, so we also need to add some fields here for that field group. For that we need to add the field group facet. Its purpose is same, hash standard. And what would be the type? Type will be field group. Field group reference. Position is 20. In this collection facet, first we have the identification block, then we have this field group block. Okay. Label, we can add the pricing. Parent ID. Booking supplement. Target qualifier. Price info. Okay, so we added one identification block, one field group block in our collection facet. Okay, now let's add the identification annotations here for our booking supplement metadata file. Identification, and what would be its position? Position will be 10. Okay, same way, let's add position identification annotation for booking ID, which is 20. Okay, these two columns we have added in the identification block. Let's add field group annotation as well for the rest of the fields. UI dot field group, UI dot field group, field group. Position will be 10. Okay, and what will be the qualifier? In which block we are adding it? Let's mention that. Qualifier is SUPPL info. Okay, let's add field group annotation for our supplement ID. Position will be 20. Let's add field group annotation for price, and here our qualifier will be price info. Alright. Let's add field group annotation for our currency code column. This one we don't need, so let's remove it. Okay, Let's add line item annotation as well for our columns which we want to show in the table. Okay, line item. Which are the line items we want to show? Booking supplement ID, position as 10, same way let's add supplement ID also in our table, and we have price here at third position, and we have currency code at fourth position. Okay, let's save and activate. Okay, I think some typo here. Let's add supplement ID here. Save and activate. Okay, it's activated. Okay, what we need to do now? We need to test our application. Okay, let's, at this point our third drill down should be available. Okay, so it should be visible to us. Let's open our application. Click on go. Now let's drill down to our second screen, object screen. Here we have booking ID. Let's drill down. So yeah, as you can see, we have our third screen visible here, and we have booking details and supplements. Booking details and supplements table. So if we see, right, so yeah, as you can see, we can see our supplements. Our booking detail and supplement tables are visible here, as you can see, and if we drill down again, we can see the supplement details here. Alright, so we can see our supplement details collection as well. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it for this video. We will continue further in our next video series. And if you really like my content, please like and subscribe this channel. This really motivates me to make such informational content. Thank you.